Okay, so we have a Audi remote control from a customer. Now the customer's complaining about the unlock button not working on the vehicle. So I'm going to show you it not working on this tester. So this is from X Tools. You could buy one yourself. They're readily available. So I'm just going to switch it on to detect frequency. So if you look at this unit here, what you have is every time you press it, it's detected the frequency and it pulses. So you can see on this graph it's pulsed. If I press the boot button, again, it pulses, so you know it's actually working. But if I press the unlock button, it doesn't detect anything. So it looks like there's either a dry joint or a switch problem or something inside the remote control, obviously not working. So I'm going to send this over to one of the lads to have a look at, and then let's see what they come back with. Okay, so we've had the remote back from the engineers repaired. In the meanwhile, the customer called and said they wanted the case changing as well. So this is the old case. So we put it into a new case for him. We're just going to see if it's all working. So I'm going to put it on frequency mode. So if you press the top button, so you can see that the pulse is happening. The boot button, pulse is happening, and the unlock button, which was not working before, is all working. Now you probably noticed that the LED is also working now. There was a problem with that, so we've repaired that as well. There we go. So all repaired to go back to the customer. So if you get any remotes or anything that needs repairing, then send them to Autotronics.